And welcome to South Lake Tahoe. We are at an amazing venue in this 17-bedroom log cabin overlooking Lake Tahoe for the Vision Tahoe Mastermind. You have to see this view. Let's check it out. And there you have it. Over this weekend, we're going to hear from several amazing speakers, including Chosen Chang, Steve Hillier, Clark Broom, and Brent Gove, as well as myself. A tremendous opportunity to speak. I cannot wait. This is going to be epic. Let's go check out the rest of it.
I've been doing this 27 years. I've never met anybody in all the speakers, the #1 Coldwell Banker agent, the #1 Remax agent, the #1 Kelly. I've never met anybody with a story like our next speaker. Before we hear from Texas to be with you today, in 2020, he did not sell any homes. In the first quarter of 2021, he did not sell any homes. This year, he'll make millions of dollars. Levi did something that Jay Kendrick said he's never seen one do, that I have never seen anybody do. The results are astounding. Sit up, pay close attention, because your life is about to change over the next 90 minutes. Everyone give Levi a big warm welcome. They're the greatest dudes I know. I love it.
I sold zero. Wasn't even in the business. Started the YouTube channel, got into the business December 5th of 2020. That's whenever the first YouTube video came out. And that takes time to build. So I sold 0 homes in Q1. And this is what's really happened. So think about it. It took 3 months to close the first 2 transactions. In April of 2021, we closed the first 2 transactions from YouTube. So over the next 15 months, numbers through July, this is what's happened. We generated 1,696 leads. We've done 217 transactions. That's at a 13% conversion rate. We've done $121 million in volume, and that's $3.6 million in commissions. Just from a YouTube channel. It's all I've done. This has also led into agent attraction as well. So, and this applies whether you're in EXP or not. If you're not in EXP, you're probably still trying to build a team of some sort, so it doesn't really matter. But the thing is that if you're a brokerage, you either going to scale one-on-one or you're going to scale one-to-many.
He sent me a video after Cabo. He goes, "You really don't know me, but here's what I'm going to do." And I know talk is cheap. We'll see. A year later, he sends me a video and says, "Here's what I did. Put it into massive action." So he was you.
What I realized was that, I've been in Dallas for 20 years. I know Dallas upside down, left and right. I can talk about Dallas, and I got to think about all the people that are looking to move to Dallas. And what do? They search Dallas before they even decide to even think about hiring a real estate agent. Not only does YouTube make you time, it compounds your time. So think about this. Our channel so far has been watched 130,400 watch hours. You divide that by 24 hours in a day, that's equivalent to 14.88 years. That means our channel in the last 18 months has prospected for us 14.88 years. Why do you think we're doing the amount of business we're doing? And I believe if you take massive actions, focus on that one thing, you can completely change your business, period. Thank you.